What is up, guys? Back in the video. Today we're playing more Shmackle. This game is fire, and I actually made a video with camera on, but like it break, like if you first person, like it just kind of doesn't work for some reason, and it's a bit weird. But why am I not on here? Is my question. Hopefully I can get on here. And hopefully I can get the creator chain, if you remember that thing. This is my 12th video on Shmackle. There's a playlist on Shmackle. I actually need to put videos in time. But I have a playlist on Shmackle with Shmackle. So, in this video, we're gonna be... Actually, we're gonna explore this thing. For we did this last time, and I kind of scared of going back in. Anything over here now? Hella buggy. What is this area? What do I do? Weird. Confusing. It's really confusing. There's one thing I hate about this. Oh never mind, the movement is... Oh my, this is a lot better. Yo, last time it took me like a solid to get out. It took me like 5 seconds to get out. Oh my. Also, you can like jump with one hand now. Watch. Do this. Shoot you this. And you are running as far as... Oh no. Ow. No. We're gonna try something actually. Wait, why is it buggy? Okay, I'm gonna launch. If we make these jumps, I don't know we can. Right. I got the biscuits hard, or I gotta make it the. What? It's week 10, but yo, this is fire. How did I not know this? Yes, this is what I need. I'm gonna get on every single day. Actually. Wait, what? Yo, I'm blind. Guys? Yo, new construction site? Yeah, I'm actually blind. What are we building here? Right, more Shmackle. Alright, so none of this stuff is really gonna matter. A lot of times I know. The water is being... Ah, my eyes! I have a shadow on the water. You seen this? Anyways. Right. We're actually gonna try to get on that thing. We have loads of pipes. Can you actually go in? I wonder if we can go. Okay, you can't. There's like a wall there. But we're gonna try to work our way onto this thing. First thing we're gonna do is probably pinch one up here. Oh, you can't. Yeah, okay, I don't know how I'm trying to get up there, but we're gonna get in this truck easily. Yo, it's like slippery. Wait, what? There we go. We're on we go in the truck. Whee! I'm gonna drop in, guys. Whee! Oh, good enough. Let me out. Okay, I'm stuck. Right, where can we go right here? Yo, right, there's something massive. Because pretty interesting. This is kind of like the curator thing when it goes getting built. I don't really make videos in Shmackle back then. I was gonna make one, but then something happened to work. I don't know. But right, that's what updated is, I think. Anything else change? Yo, the saga. Oh, the saga's the game. Maybe check out Gert later. Gonna go up the elite stairs. Oh my! Glitching goes hard. Wait, I wonder if I can pick the game. Oh yeah, I can do that. Yes! Let's go! Oh, please. What is this? We're gonna try to go up this thing. Wait, can I like... Alright guys, welcome to Shmackle. Do. Week 9 goes hard. Ah! Is that where you went? No, serious? Okay, then. Wait, is it here or here? Apparently there's like some emote you did or something like that, but what is Bro doing back here? What are you doing? Oh, it's like Peter. You know what? Let me get on top of it. This is weird. New building site thing. I'm actually gonna go letting get dropped for the I'll check maps and something else. There's like the filling around the map, which is pretty good because it was pretty empty, but good to fill in it. Alright, I'm just gonna stand here like this. Oh, and that's mine. Right, watch this. Ready? Oh, it's good. Oh, can you go behind this, yeah? I wish there was like a better way, because I have a lot with ghost trolling game. Low key goes hard. Oh my! After all my years of trying to get to the top branch of one single slap, your boy has made it. What haven't I done in this game, bro? Except for complete level 1. I've literally landed a bottle flip. I've like got on top of the tree. Such a happy guy. We're actually gonna go to second floor because surely. Alright guys, also like this video if I should comment if I should get the dork, because it's like my favorite cosmetic right now. It's so cool. So let me know if you need to buy it, because I would 100% buy it. From Bamboo. Right, I don't think Below Pro Dancer's in here anymore. Man. Oh, cuts off. Let me out. Let me out. Hey! Wait, what? So the Korean site's pretty interesting. Oh my bro, what the heck? Holy! Wait, let me try that again. Bang out off the step, you flying. Right, watch. I didn't even launch. Why do I feel like I know this thing? Why do I feel like this actually exists? Level 1 draft. I'm just gonna have to watch a tutorial or watch some. Oh, what's his name? I don't know. He's the one of the guys. He's like a girl like YouTuber as well. He's like blue. Where's the Russian hat? Comment on his videos. He's cool. He's got some creator chain. I'm gonna watch him play level 1 if he played it, because your boy needs to play it. Anyways, guys, I think that's actually gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Drop like, subscribe, notification exactly from there. I'm road to 6k subscribers. And yeah, wait for creator chain. I think I have enough subscribers. I'm just waiting for J-Man to hopefully let me have it. And with that, guys, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Peace.